right, everybody, tonight at 8 p.m. New York time, we will have our collective Aquarius reading. It is very cold outside where I am, and I am about to go outside to pick up from a good friend of mine some decks that he was storing for me in my tickle trunk. So we'll have hopefully the Lenormand deck tonight, and maybe another deck or two. Here's a little Palo Santo to give you peace of mind. Also, I pulled a rune before I started. Where did it go? It was the rune of Fehu. Did it go over here? Well, there's Jera. I don't know where Fehu went, but Fehu is all about fulfillment. Jera is all about the harvest. You can concentrate on that. And let's get a number for the collective Aquarius. I'm getting the Hanged Man. Yes, I am. Something, I feel like you're on the verge of discovering something and you can't wait, you know. Anyway, I'll see you guys tonight, 8 p.m. New York time. Yes, okay, hope to see you then. And don't forget, you have to pre-register if you want to ask questions after the live collective reading. Okay, see you tonight, everyone.